Okay, so we have Unit 3, Day 20 Notes, Part 2. This first step is to show that this rule works, the quotient rule. Let's apply this rule to the first function we did. So we rewrote it in polynomial form, then differentiated it. So now we're going to use the quotient rule. Okay, so let's go through and do. So we get the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. Okay, so we just distributed the x squared, and then we distributed the 2x, and I also uh, made sure to account for the negative sign out in front of here. So then I can combine like terms. 6x to the fourth minus 4x to the fourth is 2x to the fourth. Negative 6x cubed plus 6x cubed cancels out, and then minus 4x all over x to the fourth. I notice that I can factor out an x from the numerator, 2x cubed minus 4, and then this is going to be x times x cubed, and then I can cancel out those common factors, and that's my derivative. 2x cubed minus 4 over x cubed. And this is exactly what I got when I did that first problem. All right, now let's find the equation of the tangent line drawn to the graph. What is the tangent line? Well, the slope of the tangent line equals the derivative. So I'm thinking derivative here, and I have binomial divided by a binomial. I'm thinking quotient rule. So let's start setting this up. So the derivative equals denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over denominator squared. Let's simplify this. 2x plus 6, that's distributing the 2, and then distribute the negative sign. Negative 2x plus 1 all over, and I'm going to leave this like x plus 3 all squared, and now combine like terms in the numerator, and what we see is this positive 2x cancels out with this negative 2x, so I get the derivative to be equal to 7 over x plus 3 all squared. They didn't want to know just the derivative, they want to know what the equation of the tangent line is. So to find, and it's at x equals negative 2. So let's find the slope of the tangent line, g prime of negative 2, and replace c in x, substitute in negative 2, so I get negative 2 plus 3 all squared. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1, 1 squared is 1, so I get 7 over 1, which is 7. There's my slope of the tangent line. I need to find the point of tangency. Put that back into the original function. I replace c in x, and I substitute in negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Minus 1 is negative 5. And I get negative 2 plus 3 is 1, so I get negative 5. So my point of tangency is at negative 2. Let's write the equation of the line. So I get slope equals 7 at point negative 2, negative 5. So let me give myself a little room here. Y plus 5 equals 7 times x plus 2.